EU sues UK after plan to override deal on Northern Ireland. Brussels. The European Commission released new prison court cases in opposition to Britain on Wednesday after London posted plans to override some post-Brexit regulations governing Northern Irish trade, and resumed some other tasks it had formerly paused. The lawsuits could bring about the European Court of Justice (ECJ) imposing fines, despite the fact that these could likely be more than a year away. London has proposed scrapping a few checks on goods from the relaxation of the United Kingdom arriving inside the British province and challenged the function of the ECJ to decide on components of the post-Brexit association agreed via the EU and Britain. European Commission Vice President Maros Šefčovič, who oversees EU relations with former EU member Britain, stated there was no justification for unilaterally converting an international agreement. Let's call a spade a spade. This is illegal, he informed an information conference, adding it solid a shadow on members of the family at a time while worldwide cooperation was even extra vital, a connection with the alliance towards Russia's invasion of Ukraine. A spokesperson for British Prime Minister Boris Johnson stated London become dissatisfied through the EU's legal moves. The EU's proposed approach, which doesn't fluctuate from what they have stated formerly, could boom burdens on businesses and residents and take us backwards from wherein we're presently, he said, regarding EU proposals to ease post-Brexit alternate issues with Northern Ireland. The three legal lawsuits do not relate to Britain's new plans, but to the EU notion that Britain didn't enforce the protocol that governs Northern Irish buying and selling. The new suits feed Britain with failing to ensure good enough team of workers and infrastructure to carry out checks in Northern Ireland and not imparting the EU with enough trade records. The other, paused 12 months ago to enhance the atmosphere around talks, pertains to the motion of agri-food products. Šefčovič stated the EU might take the case to the ECJ if Britain didn't address the EU's charges within 2 months. Šefčovič stated Brussels nevertheless desired to renew talks with Britain to clear up problems in delivery British merchandise to Northern Ireland. We decided that our reaction ought to be measured, ought to be proportionate. And we're presenting not simplest felony motion here nowadays. However, we've been fleshing out what concretely we could do, he stated. The British province is within the EU unmarried market for goods, that means imports from the relaxation of the UK are concerned to customs declarations and from time to time require tests on their arrival. The association became set to avoid reinstating border controls among Northern Ireland and EU member Ireland, which were dropped after the 1998 Good Friday Peace settlement. The arrangement has infected pro-British unionist parties by using efficaciously growing a border in the Irish Sea. The Commission made a sequence of proposals remaining October to ease customs formalities and cut exams.